Stranger Things experience. Let's go. Kasi Wednesday Adams.
Hindi, si Saturday. May kasama kaming Adams.
Adams.
Hindi, ito si Saturday.
Wednesday Adams and ito si Adams Apple. Ayan guys, nasa taxi na kami. Ayan si Wednesday Adams. Ganda oh. Pak. Katabi niya si Adams Apple. Ito naman sino? Si Thursday. Ito si Thursday.
O, ito si Tuesday.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Si Adams Apple. Di lahat kami may character sa akin. Masaya ka naman dyan sa outfit.
Oh yeah.
Okay naman, ganda. Dapat pala pinag-costume din natin si
LOL!
Wow, tabi no. This girl is ano?
Huh?
This girl is on fire. Guys, pasok na kami. Nakarating na kami sa Stranger Things, the experience. This is the entrance. Welcome to Stranger Things, the experience. Let's go. Let's go. Wednesday, let's go.
Hindi, sabi ko si Saturday ngayon eh.
Let's go Saturday. Excited? Excited na guys? Ayan, excited na siya. Ay, na-start na siya oh. Pero one by one kasi siya. So, nakalagay dito is... Ewan ko na lang kung di pa nila maano yung tattoo mo. Friends don't lie yan, girl.
Kamukha doon nung natutusok sa gano'n.
Ay.
Ginagawa mo?
Best in costume ko. Si Wednesday. Wow.
Naligaw po.
Naligaw. Wrong show ko Wednesday.
Are open once again and we're excited to serve the great community of Hawkins. Please note there is no photography or video recording of any kind allowed in the lab.
In the lab lang. Enjoy. Go, go. Come on, go. Let's go. Open door daw. Sleep tight, Hawkins. Say good night. Go inside. Go, go.
Oh. Wala pa pala eh. Doon tayo sa blue. Go. Blue.
Go. Go to blue side. Here, blue.
Oh, dito lang.
There you go. Alrighty. Now, if I can have you folks in the blue groups, give me a nice wave. Hello, blues. Everyone in the yellow, nice wave. Hi there. And the reds. You know what to do. That's just great. Alrighty. First things first, we've divided you into these two smaller batches, Group B over here and Group A over there, so we can provide you with more focused attention. So, things first, we've divided you into these two smaller batches, Group B over here and Group A over there, so we can provide you with more focused attention. She's upside down. That's okay, there we go now. As I was saying, our monitoring system. We seem to be experiencing some technical difficulties.
All staff in Sector 4. QE void of all staff in Sector 4.
Really chose for the study. Some of you are showing intuitive, rather emotional intelligence, which we now know can often lead to highly disruptive dreams. Some of you have shown unique physical capabilities. These candidates possess a remarkable inner strength that they and that you might not even be aware of. The strength can make it difficult for the body to recuperate during slow wave sleep, which we now refer to as the REM session. That's just some slight radio interference, folks. Nothing to worry about. Let's continue, shall Okay, great. Let's stop here and have us progress to the next stage of testing. If I can have everyone group B over here make your way through that door.
We can start it. Hold up. It's on you. Okay.
Tatawas ba?
The house. This is the doctor now. Alright, okay. Right, I need you all to extend your arms forward. Left and out, right and back. Everyone ready? Left and out, right and back. Now, I need you to visualize yourself moving this shoulder down my head. Just the right move, alright? Now focus and concentrate on this shoulder down. I know it seems silly, but if I move that shoulder just a little bit, that's all we need. Just focus and concentrate. That's what I can do. Yes, that's it. Do everything else out. Just the right move. Yes! Okay, we're gonna do that again. Alright, but this time around, blue group, you're gonna help them out, right? And blue group, that's where you're gonna channel into it. Just focus and concentrate. Imagine it and try to project it. Okay, focus. Okay, great. That's it. Just think of it. Okay, yeah, let's go keep working. Yeah, that's Dr. Bernard, how you say this? Yeah, let's get our power. Take it for check. Okay, you can stop now. You can stop now.
I know you came in today for a sleep study, but we have something much more interesting for you today. This is where I come in. We work with very special people like you. We help them to unlock the power within themselves. This is very exciting.
Security is one
Where are my group leaders? Group leaders!
Don't have much time. Some really bad shit is going down, and we need your help, okay?
Tell them what happened.
What happened is that earlier this morning, our compasses started out. Friends, we need you to be our L. Erica, I can't see them. Okay. Awesome. First things first. Let's get you the hell out of this room. See that blue door over there? There's a mechanical room on the other side. She's talking to you guys. Use your powers.
Yellow leader. We need you to help us. Use your powers to escape. Maximize the data. The danger is low.
Holy shit! Okay, let's move, people. When you get in there, you'll see 3 flashing emergency lights. We get those lights turned off right away before security notices.
Make sure everyone in your group is in the room. Then we're gonna lock you in. Is that everyone? Okay, here we go. Now what? If I can hack into the system, maybe we can lock Renner's people out. What about Red Group? They can move things with their mind. Good call. Red, we need to use your powers to move that handle. That'll get us into the computer system here. What the hell was that? Was that L? Brenner, something's happening. I'm picking up electromagnetic readings through the roof of the rift. Red Group, use your powers to move the gray handle. Dustin, stop typing right now!
You said that!
Saved our access, thank you! Okay, let me finish, almost there. Who's that? Wait, where is it coming from? Are they back? Dude, get them out of there now.
Okay, I'm clearing a path for them. I'm trying. I don't know. This is weird.
What's happening?
There you are. I'm glad I found you. You are all in very serious danger.
It's Brenner. I'm trying everything, but it looks like he's taken over the.
As I say,
Does this asshole think we can't see him?
Don't trust this man. He'll lock you up forever.
push. With my help, you can become extraordinary. Push the gray handle now.
Hey, brother, you can see us, right? Blues, gather behind your leader. Send all your energies at these doors. Freeze the locking mechanism.
Galing niyo, guys.
You should put those glasses on. They're going to be upside down, Dustin. I'm when the thing spit in your face for a button there. Put those glasses on! Yeah, put them on. The glasses on the counter! Bring them back safe. We're counting on you. I'll see you on the other side.
You need to go.
Lapit ka sa
Game muna kayo. Oh my gosh, what is this?
Nasa upside down na tayo, girl.
Oh, is it you? Elle told me about you. I don't know who you are exactly or what you know about all this, but I'll tell you. I sure as shit am glad to see you. Oh shit.
Ano mo sa 8? Sa 11 pala.
Oh, Jesus! Good timing. I found your friends. How are you feeling? Recovered? We get the hell out of here? Shit! Oh, you okay? Red Fruit, help me! Show Max what you can do! Damn, who's badass? Yellow Group, make those trees come alive. Keep the demos busy.
Hindi niya makalimutan nila to.
Don't stop now! Ganun ka lang, ganun ka! Ah, si Becky.
Friends, forget the rest. Forget me. Help 11. Give her your power. Send her everything you've got. Leaders, give her strength. you okay?
Max! Elle! Are you guys okay? Oh, it's unbelievable!
Hey guys. Thank you all for saving my life.
You guys were amazing. We make a good team. Erica!
The point is, you guys kick ass, and we're friends now. And being friends with us is, well,
Dangerous as hell.
yes, but it's also bitchin'. If I've learned one thing today, it's that going in alone is not always the best idea.
Tapos na?
Ang ganda na, no?
Ayaw nga.
We need to buy the ice creams in Scoops Ahoy before we can take a picture.
Gusto niya sprinkles daw.
Sikip ka kayo.
Oh.
Scoops Ahoy!
Exactly the plan is now.
Ikaw kaya ito?
Get the target to the player 4.
Friends don't lie and so Sabi ka naman makakalabas.
Taray! Papakmat pa silang dalawa. Pili kayo. Ano sa'yo? Yung worm? Bigay mo sa kanya.
Yung worm.
Diba? Naging photographer pa si Bakla o sa labit din ng bag. Pa! Galing naman yan.
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
You need the blue power! Blue power! Blue power!
LOL!
Blue power! Oh! ano pinagagawa niyong dalawa, no? Pasok ulit, pasok. Ano gumana yan? Gumagana yan?
Uy, ganun pala.
Ginagawa mo.
Nice!
Hawakan mo daw. May beads. Ito yung bet niya. Ito yung nagustuhan niya. Yung silk scarf. Ito. 97 dirhams daw. Pakita mo kung ano yung tsura ng scarf. Pwede to. Nice. Love it. Ayan. Kumukuha kami ng mga exclusive lang. Ayan. Diba? Exclusive. Dito nyo lang mabibili kapag pumasok kayo sa Stranger Things experience. Na ang bilhin ay ito, tsaka to. Ayan. Pares kami. Ayan. Couple. Let's buy na. Let's go. Yung meron na kami, pero we got the goods. Let's go, guys. Redeem na natin. Redeem na natin, guys. Ikaw rin naman nakabili, di ba? Nasa yung sa'yo? We have the shirts. Exclusive. Limited edition. Thank you.
Nice one!
We have the goods.
Laro na yun.
Oh, galing ah, Pir.
Nugget ko
Labas
na
na tayo.
parang walang
Bye-bye. Uy.
Yan, video pa more.
Parang may pa-red carpet kayo.
Pa-red carpet pa kayo ah.
Guys, anong experience sa loob?
Okay lang.
Maganda ba?
Yes.
Parang nag-enjoy ka lang sa arcade eh.
Buti lang libre yung arcade.
Number 1 ba? Number 1 sa arcade?
Opo.
Ganda. Ayun.
Number 2, ice cream.
Ice cream. And then the third one, yung
popcorn.
experience sa loob.
Hindi popcorn.
Look.
Number 4, experience.
Grabe naman siya. At least, di ba, for the January 3, first, ano natin to, pasok ng taon sa January.
Ito yung t-shirt natin.
Nice one.
Ganyan ba? OMG, exclusive ulit merch. Ito yung libre. Explain lang natin sa kanila, guys. Pagpapasok ka sa loob ng Stranger Things experience dito sa Yas is free itong tote bag plus the Bluetooth speaker if you avail the VIP package, right? Kasi may mga ano siya, package siya. So pag may VIP package ka, ito yun, libre siya. But this one, the paper bag, dun yan sa mga merch, kung bibili kayo ng mga merch nila, like the t-shirt, cap, pins, and everything. And na-decide namin na bumili ng t-shirt kasi exclusive lang siya, di ba, right? Exclusive siya, guys. Only if you will go here in the Stranger Things, the experience. Dun nyo lang siya mabibili yung t-shirt na yun. Hindi siya makikita sa ibang place or ibang mga merch na pwedeng bilhin yung Stranger Things. May isang happy kid. Ayan po mga kabayan. Tuwan-tuwa po siya. LOL! And itong dalawang to ay tuwan-tuwa din maghabulan.
Ano yan?
Ginagawa
mo, Beshi? Patingin pa, ano? Oo, ayun o.
Did everyone enjoy?
Yes,
number 1.
Thank you so much for the experience. Tapos meron pa tayong ganito.
Oo nga. At least
Hindi
for
ba ito tinatanggal?
January 3, di ba? Yung experience natin is sobrang fresh.
Finally, nakakuha na ako ng fresh air.
LOL! Yan guys, nakauwi na kami. And we'll just change our clothes. And then, we'll just change our clothes and we'll go to the party naman. Okay, part 2. Party ng layas namin guys. Mag-attend naman kami ng birthday party. Ayan guys. Attend naman kami ng birthday. Birthday ni anak ni Ate Roma. Ayan, si Shin. We have Aarons and the Jowables. Let's go. Mababa na. Let's go na. Ginagawa mo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Colon is there. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Punta na kami sa Colon. Dinner date with Ate Roma.
Ayun yung bata.
Yan na, mas mabilis na, guys! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy
Nice!
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, pauwi na kami. Galing party.
Diba? Don't judge. Don't.
Hi guys! So, ayan, babalik na naman kami. Pero closing lang naman to. Gusto lang namin ipakita sa inyo yung mga nabili namin kanina and yung mga nakuha naming souvenirs from the Stranger Things experience. So, first is, itanungin muna natin ng super funny na ng Stranger Things na series. Ano bang masasabi mo doon sa experience na pinuntahan natin kanina?
It's wow.
Yung yung totoong rating mo, huwag yung dahil lang sa
Siguro mga 8/10.
Then, i-discuss mo, white 8/10. So, kasi hanggang guys, itong Stranger Things is nag-start siya noong November until February 15 pa siya. So, if napanood nyo itong video namin na to, na-upload ko na siya agad, may chance pa kayo na mapanood yung Stranger Things ng The Experience live in Yas Island.
Hanggang February.
So, yun, para malaman nyo lang yung rating niya kung bakit 8 out of 10. Sige, go.
Siguro nag-expect lang ako ng more.
Anong
Yung
bongga?
gano'n. No? Tsaka siguro nga yun nga sabi mo na mas okay siguro kung yung latest na mga itsura nila. Kasi mga bata pa sila dun eh. Tapos, siguro kasi ang ano ko dun, yung parang, ewan ko, baka parang horror house kasi yung mga Demogorgon talagang lalabas, yung mga ganon. Pero kasi, okay naman, kasi 3D siya eh. 3D yung mga dermo nila. Tapos, okay naman din. Tapos, siguro medyo nabitin lang din ako. Kasi,
what else?
Yun lang din.
In terms of the ambience and then the actors, like
Ay, yung mga ano, magagaling sila. Yung mga, kasi may mga ano dun parang nag-act talaga na, yung mga, kasi yung sa laboratory kasi yun eh, no? Tapos may mga doctor dun, tapos yun, i-act nila, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, tapos yung mga pa-effect din nila, okay naman. So, yun.
8 out of 10. So, for me, as a semi-fan, because of her, kasi nga, hindi ko naman talaga siya as in pinanood. Tapos nung pinanood niya pa sa akin to, hindi pa lumalabas yung Stranger Things na episode, yung 5 na yung finale. Parang nakatulugan ko pa siya. Parang ilang episodes na yung napanood natin nung first, no? Yung pinanood niya na sa akin talaga yung umpisa, yung nawala si Will and all, ganun. Tapos, nagkaroon lang ako ng interest talaga is yung pinanood natin yung mga replay, yung parang minabasa kami sa Facebook na dapat panoorin nyo muna yung ganitong episode para mag-gets nyo kapag pinanood nyo na yung season 5, yung pinaka-finale ng Stranger Things. Tapos after na, yun na, talagang sinubaybayan na namin ng bongga. Inabangan na namin nung 25th, nung nag-release sila nung 4 lang yun, no? 4. Ay, hindi. Kailan sila una nag-release? Like, November something. Nag-release sila ng 3. Tapos, 25th, naglabas sila ng 4. If I'm not mistaken. Kasi 8 episodes siya, di ba? Tapos, last na release nila is 31. Yung isa na lang. Yung pinaka-last finale na 2 hours. Yung ano. And then, so, yun yung naisip kong i-gift sa kanya, which is yung Stranger Things experience. Kasi matagal niya na rin nga sinasabi sa akin yun. And nag-expect din ako, ha. Hindi dahil sa yun, di ba, yung parang ano and all. Nag-enjoy kami. Like, super enjoy naman kami sa mga pictures and all. Kasi talaga naman, ano siya, no, Instagrammable din yung place.
Yung after pala, sorry. Yung after no experience, kasi may yung kainan doon, yung ano, as in yung vibe na talaga. At
pang
stranger talaga yung vibe.
Then after nga nun, medyo nag-expect lang din ako. Pero sa umpisa naman, parang nakaka-excite siya pag pumasok ka kasi talagang papipilahin ka, tas by color. Tsaka yung kung paano magsalita yung mga tao doon. Like, yun diba yung dun sa umpisa na sabi niya, okay, your test subjects, mga ganun-ganun. Tapos biglang mamamatay yung ilaw, tapos dramang-drama siya dun sa eksena na, oh my God, don't panic. Gumagano pa siya. This is not, ganito, ganyan. This is not a problem. This, tas biglang gagano na, tas magko-continue. And then, pagpasok naman doon sa kabilang pintuan is, ganun din naman, magaling din yung lalaki, no? Yung parang scientist, oo. Na yung papaganunin niya yung mga magic, keme-kemeng gano'n, yung mga eme-eme. Enjoy naman din sila kasi may arcade. Tapos,
libre na yung mga arcade.
Oo, libre arcade. Yung mga Pac-Man, diba yung mga lumang arcade nun. Tapos, yung mga foods, maganda rin naman. Tsaka feel na yung vibe kasi talagang parang kala mo is nasa Stranger Things ka.
Yung first is, ito yung libreng drink dun sa bar. Dalawa, kasi dalawa kami ni Shin na, yung akin yung VIP, yung kay Shin kasi, yung mga pag POD ka, automatic parang VIP ka na din eh. So, yun. Ito siya, dalawa. Ito is para dun sa dalawang bata. Bumili sila ng ice cream dun sa Scoops Ahoy. Kasi pwede ka dun, magkakapagpa-picture ka lang dun sa, ano nila, dun sa area nila dun. Kung
Kapag
bibili ka ng
bibili ka
ice cream. So, bumili yung dalawa. Binili namin sila.
15 isang ganito.
Isang scoop ng ice
Isang scoop. Tapos pag may toppings, dahil gusto nga nila may toppings, yung isa M&M's, yung isa naman is yung sprinkles. Additional 5. So parang lalabas na 20 per scoop.
Pati ito pinatulan namin. At yung ano na, popcorn. Yeah, bumili kami ng popcorn. Tapos ito yung lagayan niya. Ano rin naman siya, plastic, so okay din siya.
Hindi siya yung papel.
Yeah. So, ayan na.
Tsaka makikita nyo guys, nag-enjoy ang mga bata dito. Ginawang cup. Yung isa kinagatan pa, ayan. Ayan guys, may kagat pa.
Oo, ginawa nilang, makikita nyo sa video talaga, ginanan-ganan nila, ganan-ganan nilang dalawa yan, tapos nakagat-kagat.
Trip na
Enjoy
nila tong cup. Isa kami ng merch, which is this one. So, let's open it, guys. Okay, let's open it. Tanggal na namin kasi dinahandaan pa namin yung guys, this is it.
So, yung first is the, ayan, exclusive lang siya. Diba?
This one.
Exclusive sa Stranger Things experience only. Yeah. Doon mo lang siya mabibili kapag pumunta ka sa mga ganong Stranger Things experience, diba?
Ayan,
Yan siya.
diba? Ang ganda. Ito yung tingnan mo yung nakalagay. Talagang pinili namin may sticker. Nakalagay na exclusive. Ayan. Nakikita niyo ba? Exclusive.
Magkaiba lang kami ng size.
Ano kasi namin ito? Pang concert era namin. Pang concert
Yeah.
era.
So, ganyan lang siya. Yung sando-sando type. Diba? Stranger Things on the garden.
May libreng tote bag. VIP to. VIP.
So, diba? Yan din yung ano nila, oh. Yung picture nila.
Then, may libreng lanyard nila.
Ito yung lanyard nila. Nag-expect ako dito, nakakala ko Stranger Things yung nakalagay. Pero ito yun, oh. Pag punta mo pa lang doon, pag scan nung ano mo, QR code, kasi nga pag VIP, bibigay na nila ito sa'yo. Tapos may ganitong Bluetooth speaker.
The BT Boomers collectible Bluetooth speaker, which is also exclusive if pupunta ka dun sa Stranger Things The Experience. Ayan guys. Tapos nakalagay dito guys, connect to for mind-blowing sound. Ayan. Sabi nila, connect to BT Boomers, dalawang ganito, together and enjoy a true wireless stereo experience. Tiny size, huge sound. So, ito try namin to guys. Kung totoo bang malakas talaga. And babalitaan namin kayo.
Ito naman yung aming tag.
Tag.
Nasa ano kami, blue team.
Yan, nakaganyan yan.
Yan, yun nga yung pa-sleep study nila.
Per color yan. Blue, red, and yellow. Magkakahiwalay kayo.
Sabi tago din natin for the souvenir.
Souvenir. Yan lang guys. And we'll see you on our next adventure here in UAE. Bye.
Give me this.
Roll up to the party. We just came to party till that liquor all gone. Roll up to the party. Roll up to the party. I just want them bad boys, bad boys, bad boys. Look into my eyes. They're showing like stars in the sky. I can be the one for you. Tell me what I want, only true.
Give me this.
I'm gonna get you higher. Baby, I'm the trigger, gunfire. I can be a out like